This is me Syed Mehdi Basic to Advanced Computer course. Today is our topic is communication devices. Communication devices in computers. Definition. Communication devices are essential hardware components that enable a computer to transmit and receive data, signals, or information to and from other devices or networks. These devices play a critical role in establishing connectivity between computers, servers, and digital systems, allowing for seamless data exchange over local or wide area networks, including the Internet. Common communication devices in computers. A modem converts digital signals from a computer into analog signals for transmission over telephone lines and vice versa. DOS router directs data packets between different networks, enabling Internet access and communication between devices. Network interface card, NIC, a hardware component that connects a computer to a network, either wired, Ethernet, or wireless, Wi-Fi. Switch connects multiple devices within a local area network and manages data traffic efficiently. Tech for everyone, yes for everyone, and we are with you at every step.